Good morning, dear friends. Last time we had to complete exercise 14.1, question number 7. Now we will start question number 8. A class teacher has the following absentees record of 40 students of a class for the whole team. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Okay, so here a number of days and number of students are given, and we have to find the mean number of absentees. So next column is xi. So we have to find mid value of given class. Mid value of given class xi. Class number of students, it is called frequency. So how to find xi? We have to find xi by using formula of xi is a lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So here lower limit will be 0, upper limit will be 6. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2. So 3. Next 6 plus 10, 16 by 2, 8. Next 10 plus 14, 24 divided by 2, 12. Next 14 plus 20, 34. So 34 divided by 2, 17. Next 20 plus 24, 48. 48 divided by 2, 24. 28 plus 38, so 66 divided by 2, 33. Next 38 plus 40, so 78. 78 divided by 2, 39. Okay. Here total number of students are 40 given in question. So here write down 40 is equals to sigma fi is equals to n. Okay. Next column will be depend on our formula. We have to apply which method. So here there will be total 3 methods for finding mean. First is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and third one is standard deviation method. Okay, so here first of all we have to check class length of given class is here h equal to 6, here 6 to 10. So here class length will be 4. So here we have to observe okay, class length will be different. So state deviation method is not used. So we have to use assumed mean method. Is it clear? Because here class length will be different. So in assumed mean method, fourth column will be di. Di is equal to xi minus a. So first of all we have to assume total number of class are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So middle class of is 14 to 20. So we have to suppose a equals to 17. So now we have to apply di is equals to xi minus a. So here the value of xi and the value of a both are same. So 17 minus 17, 0. Here xi minus a. So 12 minus 17. So we have to subtract smaller to bigger. So answer will be negative. So 12 minus 17 minus 5. Next 8 minus 17. So minus 9. Next 3 minus 17. So minus 14. Same thing we have to subtract 24 minus 17. So 7. Next 33 minus 17, 16. Next 39 minus 17, 22. Okay. Next column will be fi into di. Last column is fi di. Okay, so we have to find multiplication of fi and di. So 11 into 14. So minus, answer will be negative because minus plus minus. Minus 154. Next 10 into 9 minus 90. Next 7 into 5 minus 35. Here 4 into 0, so 0. 4 into 7, 28. 16 into 3, 48. 22 into 1, 22. So for finding sigma fi di, we have to find first addition of negative numbers and then find addition of positive numbers. So here the addition of negative numbers is 5 plus 4 9, next 5 plus 3 8 plus 9 17, so 1 carry, so minus 279 plus addition of positive numbers is 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 8 18, so 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6 7, plus 2 9, so 279 plus 98 is equal to what is the answer? So 9 minus 8 1, 27 minus 9 18, so minus 181 is equal to sigma Fi di. Next, assume the main method. We have to apply assuming method. So first of all, we have to list out of sigma Fi is equals to 40 is equals to n. Next, sigma Fi di will be minus 181. So sigma Fi di is equals to minus 181, and the value of a is 17. So a is equals to 17. Now we have to apply formula of mean. So x bar is equals to a plus sigma Fi di divided by n is equal to. Now what is the value of sigma Fi di and a? So sigma, so the value of a is 17. 17 plus sigma Fi di will be minus 181. So write down in bracket minus 181 divided by n. So the value of n is 40 is equal to 17 minus 181 divided by 40. Here you can find answer two ways. First of all, you have to write in same form. So you have to take LCM and write an answer, or you have to divide by 181 divided by 40 and subtract from 17. So both answers are right. Is it clear? So now divide 181 divided by 40. So 17 minus 4.525. So is equal to 17 minus 4.525 will be 12.475. It is your answer. X bar is equal to. Also you can write by taking LCM. So 17 4s are 680 minus 181 divided by 40 is equal to 499 divided by 40. So x bar is equal to 499 by 40, or x bar is equal to 12.475. Okay, next question number 9. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So here literacy rate in percentage. So classes and number of cities Fi are given, and we have to find mean number of literacy rate. So we have to apply direct method of mean. So first of all, we have to find xi. So mean value of given class xi. So we have to find xi by using formula lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 45 plus 55 divided by 2. So 50. Here we have to check class length is 45 to 55. So here class length will be 10. Here 55 to 65. So again class length is 10. Here 65 to 75. So again class length will be 10. So here all the classes have a same length. So we have to find xi in simple way. So you have to add simply class length in above xi. So 50 plus 10 60. Next 60 plus 10 70. 70 plus 10 80. 80 plus 10 90. Okay. Next here total number of cities are given 35. So is equals to write down sigma Fi is equals to n. Next column is Fi xi. Fi into xi. Because we have to apply direct method. So in the direct method, sigma Fi will be required. So Fi into xi, simply we have to multiply 3 into 50. So 3 5s are 15. So 150. Next 60 into 10, so 6 ones are 6, 600. Next 70 into 11, so 11 sevens are 77, so 770. Next 80 into 8, so 8 eights are 64, 640. 93 is 27, so 270. Now we have to find addition of all FIXI. So here 0. Next 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18 plus 5 23, carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 6 22, 22 plus 2 24 is equals to sigma Fi xi. Direct method. We have to have a direct method. So first of all, list out here the value of n is equal to, from table the value of n will be 35. So n equal to 35. Sigma Fi xi is equal to 2430. Now we have to apply formula of mean. So x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi divided by n. So 2430 divided by 35. Okay, so now divide. So what is the answer? So answer will be 69.43%. So x bar equals to 69.43 decibel. Okay, is it clear?